Metal 3D printing has become an indispensable tool, offering unparalleled design freedom, material efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. From aerospace and automotive to medical and industrial applications, metal 3D printing encompasses a range of additive manufacturing processes that utilize various techniques to build three-dimensional objects layer by layer from metal powders or wire feedstock. These technologies offer several advantages over traditional subtractive manufacturing methods, including reduced material waste, increased design flexibility, and the ability to produce complex internal geometries and intricate lattice structures. Metal 3D printing allows for the creation of lightweight and optimized structures through the use of lattice structures, internal channels, and topology optimization techniques. This capability is particularly valuable in the aerospace and automotive industries, where weight reduction translates into improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Metal 3D printing offers numerous benefits and advantages over traditional manufacturing methods, making it an attractive choice for various industries and applications. Metal 3D printing allows for the creation of complex geometries, intricate internal structures, and organic shapes that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.